Are you ready to dive into one of the most lucrative online opportunities in 2025? Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time income, affiliate marketing could be the perfect fit for you. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to get started with affiliate marketing in 2025 step by step. Stick around, and by the end, you'll know how to set yourself up for success, even if you're a complete beginner. Let's jump in. Step 1. Understand affiliate marketing. First things first, what is affiliate marketing? Simply put, it's earning a commission by promoting someone else's product or service. When someone clicks your unique affiliate link and makes a purchase, you get paid. Think of it like being a virtual salesperson, except you can earn money 24/7 even while you sleep. A simple diagram of affiliate marketing showing 3 steps: product promotion, or customer purchase, and affiliate commission. In 2025, affiliate marketing is thriving, with companies spending billions to partner with affiliates. It's one of the easiest ways to start earning online without creating your own product. Step 2. Choose a profitable niche. The key to successful affiliate marketing is finding your niche. A niche is a specific topic or industry that you'll focus on. In 2025, some of the most profitable niches are health and fitness, technology and gadgets, personal finance, sustainable living, online education. On-screen visual examples of products from each niche: fitness gear, smart gadgets, budgeting apps, eco-friendly items, and courses. Pick something you're passionate about or have some knowledge of. Trust me, promoting products you genuinely care about makes the process so much easier, and your audience will feel your enthusiasm. Step 3. Join affiliate programs. Next up, you'll need to join affiliate programs to start promoting products. Here are a few popular ones for 2025. Amazon Associates. Great for beginners, offering millions of products. Share a Sale, ideal for finding niche-specific products. ClickBank, perfect for digital products like ebooks or online courses. Impact, known for partnering with big brands. Pro tip: look for programs with high commissions and reliable payouts. Sign up, grab your unique affiliate links, and you're ready to start promoting. Step 4. Build your online presence. Now it's time to build your platform. In affiliate marketing, your success depends on how effectively you reach your audience. You can do this through a blog, write reviews, tutorials, and product comparisons. YouTube, create engaging videos like this one. Social media, use platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Reddit, Quora, or Pinterest to share your content. Email marketing, build a list of subscribers and share product recommendations. A checklist of platforms with examples of content ideas for each. Remember, consistency is key. Post valuable content regularly and always focus on helping your audience solve a problem. Step 5. Drive traffic to your affiliate links. Alright, so you've joined programs and started creating content, but how do you get people to click your links? Here are some effective strategies. SEO, search engine optimization. Optimize your blog or YouTube content to rank higher on Google paid ads. Use Google Ads or Facebook ads to reach your target audience faster. Social sharing. Engage with communities and share your content organically. A graph showing traffic growth over time with a note. Focus on organic and paid strategies, and don't forget, make your links easy to find and always disclose that they're affiliate links. It's not only ethical, but also required by law. Step 6. Track and optimize your performance. Finally, to really succeed in affiliate marketing, you need to track your results. Most affiliate programs offer analytics tools, or you can use software like Google Analytics to monitor your traffic and conversions. Focus on what works. Double down on high-performing products and tweak what's not working. Optimization is an ongoing process. The more you learn about your audience's preferences, the more you can fine-tune your strategy for better results. Affiliate marketing in 2025. Get started today. And that's it. Your complete roadmap to starting affiliate marketing in 2025. Now it's time to take action. Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on making money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.